Okay, folks, in today's episode of Cooking with Henry, what are we making today, Henry?
We're making Oreo blizzards.
Okay.
First, you have Oreos, you crush them up, but we got mega size. Then you put some ice cream, and then you put 1 cup of milk.
That's right, Henry. And then what do we do?
And then we blend them.
Yay.
You've got to hold it.
You want to help? Okay. Hold it right in the bowl for a second. Just hold it right there. Just don't let go. I
thought it was a cup.
I just need to set this down so we don't get it over. Now we're going to get you a cup.
A wrestling cup. You got a little on the side.
Yep.
It's okay if it's a little bit messy.
Good job, buddy.
And then you have it, an Oreo blizzard.
How is it? Great?
Yeah.